Hey, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks for stopping in for one of our unboxing videos. Today, we are going to be taking a look at the MVP, which is lying in wait inside of our custom wood grain box. So when that arrives to you very soon, I assume, you'll know something awesome is inside. Oh, starting with this, which is awesome, of course. It's a card. It's welcoming you to Manly Bands. Thanks for joining. Inside, customer service information. If you've got any questions about your product, QR codes for the dorks, and some links to social media. Check out our pictures. Post some pictures of your own. I know people like to do that. Inside, there we have it, the MVP. It's one of our lighter colored rings, so that's a nice change up if you're not into the matte black or darker colors. This is tungsten with 18 karat rose gold plating. It's got a nice brushed finish on it, and it's also got stepped and tapered sides and edges, all those sort of things, making it smooth and lovely for you, our MVP. MVP, of course, meaning Manly Vibe Products, I guess, sure. Inside also is our black silicone band, so if you get tired of that light color, you've always got an option for something a little bit more clandestine, sinister. Just looks good, guys. Don't put labels on it. We've also got some promotional materials, 20% off from our sister site, Rosie Ray, for you ladies that are looking for a fantastic, badass, crazy, cool, unique ring, and any other adjectives I failed to miss, along with some other promotional materials as they become available. So, go to manlybands.com, check out the MVP.